Hello everyone, today I going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance Exchange. For that, first open Binance Exchange. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on the Asset option. Then click on the Add Fund option. Then click on the On-Chain Deposit. Here you will need to charge USDT. Then click on the USDT. Here you will need to select network. I am choosing BIP20 network. You can choose any network as you wish. Then click here to copy this address and exit here and open Trust Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on the USDT. Then click on the Send option. Paste the USDT address here. After that, enter quantity you want to transfer. Then click on the Next option and confirm with password to successfully transfer. You can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Binance Exchange following this process. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.